Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove your app from Roku. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So all you need to do to remove an app from your Roku device is simply tap open your Roku device. So once you open your Roku device, you need to now navigate to the app on the home screen. Simply highlight it and press the star button on your remote. Select the Remove App option and confirm when prompted. If you are going to follow all the steps that have been said in this video, you can see and navigate a home screen on your device. So once you go and follow all these simple steps, you will be successful in deleting any of the app you want to delete from Roku device. By following the same way, you can devise any other apps you have installed as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for future upcoming videos as well.